Hey, how y'all doing? This is Kevin from St. Louis, out of St. Louis. I've been watching, I've been selling on YouTube for since 2002. I've been selling video games, stuff like that during Christmas. I decided late last year to start selling everything on eBay. So, after watching, part-time pickers, Cincinnati picker, garage flips, American pickers, picking the back roads of America. Well, I pick in the hood. Yeah, I pick in the hood too. It's my YouTube page, Picking in the Hood too. We pick in the hood too. Yeah, don't forget that. Yeah. But anyway, today I just want to make a video of what I bought today. I ain't buy too many things. There's a whole lot of stuff I left in the car though. But I brought some things in that one thing I don't know what the hell it is. So, you guys gonna have to help me with this. But first thing I want to show you that I bought is this funny looking eyeglass case right here. You guys know I sell eyeglass cases, but this right here is a funny looking one. It's a WX on there. I didn't know what that meant. I looked it up, and these guys, they make goggles, swimming goggles and stuff. I didn't know that. But anyway, see the funny looking glass case? I think I paid $3 for that. Yeah, I paid $3. Usually I pay $1 for eyeglass cases. I paid $3 for this. Come to find out, this is $29. Just by itself with no goggles in it. But it do have two little clip-on goggles. I don't know what the hell. I guess you put that rubber strap on there or something. There's two of them in there. Okay? I'm selling that for $29. And I don't know how much it'll be if I put in there these little goggles that's in there. I just know the case is $29. Another thing is this funny looking timer remote control thing. I never seen one. That's why I bought it. I never seen one like that before. It's a timer for a VCR. I paid $1 for that. See that dollar? Paid $1 for that. And I'm going to do a little further investigation to see what it is. I never bought one of these before, so I don't know. Okay, another thing. I bought an Olympics mini cassette tape player. Yeah, I haven't looked these up yet, but I usually buy these and they sell real good. So I didn't even have to look it up. I see Olympics and it's a mini cassette tape. So I buy them, and I sell them. Okay, I don't know how much that's for. This right here is a mystery to me. I bought it anyway because it was $2. I don't know what it is, but I know what it is. It's a cassette tape, and it's got some see them little slides in there, movie slides. So I'm figuring that we'll pay $2 for it. I wasn't gonna, but I figured that it's kind of old because it's got a cassette tape, right? And these slides got scenery of national parks and stuff. So anyway, I don't know if you could buy this back then or whatever. When you go in a tourist place and you pick up tourist things. I don't know if somebody picked this up and bought it or whatever. I don't know if somebody took the film and made slides out of it or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna see what it's worth. Okay. The weird stuff. I'm sorry. I bought this bag right here. Y'all know I buy bags, but usually I buy Tumi and I did buy some funny name bags before. Tumi, I buy I can't think of the name of the purses that I buy that flowers in them and stuff. I can't think of the name. Vera somebody. I buy her stuff. But then I looked at this bag. It was a pretty nice bag. See? It's a rolling computer bag. I looked at this bag and I was like, damn, that's a nice bag. So I looked at the name on it and it says Briggs and somebody on there, right? So I looked it up on eBay. This bag right here selling for $79. Used condition. So I was like, damn. So I bought it. I paid $3 for it. $3. And I'm really glad I went to that one thrift store. I got this bag, and I got this. See that? Brand new in the box PS3 Move. It's got the camera. It's got the little move thing right there, and it's got the game. Brand new. Never. It's sealed. Brand new. $59 on eBay. I paid $4 for it. See that $4 right there? Yeah, I think I'm playing. I'm gonna show y'all these prices. See that $4? $4 for that. $59. So much I'm selling for. Let's see what else I got. This right here. This right here is a set of speakers. Rechargeable speakers right here. I'm one-handed, so I really can't open it up. But there's 2 speakers in here. Rechargeable, brand new. So I paid $3 for this. I tore the tag off. I paid $3 for it. And I bought 2 more eyeglass cases. But y'all know I buy eyeglass cases. But I ain't even look at. I just saw them and saw the funny looking name on there, and I picked up both of these because I've been selling Prada. I saw the Prada the other. I had about 5 Prada ones. I sold like 3 of them within 2 days, and then I just sold another one the other day for $16. Anyway, I didn't see this one was dented like that till I got it home, and all messed up. So I probably can't get nothing for that. But I paid $1 for it. What the hell? But this one right here is in pretty good condition. Don't have no marks on it or nothing. It's in pretty good condition. I pay $1 for eyeglass cases. It's $1. You know, but I make big money off of it. Well, not big money. It's big money compared to what I paid for it. You know what I mean? So, but this is a mystery to me. Maybe somebody out there could tell me what this is. What these are. But I paid $3 for these. It was like six different sets. I bought the sets that I think could sell. I really should have kept that American flag one. But you see how much I paid for that. $3, right? And what's significant about these, they made by a company called Luminous Media. And what's so interesting about them is that they got like little computer plugs on the back of each one of these. There's 20 of them in here. I got 3 packages of different ones. They got like little computer, like, you know how you take a computer apart and they had a ribbon tape on it? It's got a computer ribbon tape on the back of it. Like you can plug it into something and it illuminates. You know what I'm saying? So I got to further investigate this because you got the thrift store I got these from. You got 3 days you can bring electronics back. So in 3 days. So I don't want to start keeping stuff that I can't sell. So I might take these back and get store credit or something. If I, excuse me, I'm old, so I'm tired and I'm from the hood, so that means I'm running around a lot. You know what I'm saying? So just forgive the yawn. Anyway, I got this one. It's some kind of crest or something. Some kind of crest or something right there. And I got this one. Night Rider one. See that? $3. It's supposed to be 20 in each one of these. Then I got this one. I don't know why I got this one. I should take this one back and get that American flag one. But it's got cash on it. You know what I'm saying? Like somebody, I'm just saying. I don't know why I got that one. Pimp. That's pimp stuff right there. But I don't know what they're worth. I don't know nothing about them. All I know is I paid $3 a piece for them, and they might go back. That's all I know. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what I picked up today. I got a lot more stuff, but it's in the car. I couldn't total all this stuff up in here. But thanks for looking at my video. This is Kevin from St. Louis. You know, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But either way, go leave a comment and tell me, you know, why you like it, and maybe I can improve on what I'm doing because I don't know what I'm doing. So thumbs up, thumbs down, and subscribe. You know, and just remember that we pick in the hood too. Yeah, peace.